Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add video in your Badoo profile. Now let's begin. Well, I'm simply gonna open up Badoo right now. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Initially, what we need to do is simply go to Profile. The button's at the bottom right, simply click on it. Then this will open up. That's your profile. At the top right, in the rightmost section, you will see the Edit Profile button. Simply click on it. Then this page, that is the Edit Profile page, will open up. Right here, as you can see, there's a button called as Add Photos or Video. I'm gonna click on the button right now, and this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options to upload photos or videos from either your gallery, camera, Instagram or Facebook. Select whichever one you wish, but for now, I'm gonna select my photos. Well, right here are the different videos and photos that I have in my mobile device. I'm simply gonna select a random video. Well, as you can see, I have selected it. And right now, at the top right, a button called as Upload is available. Simply click on it. And as you can see, the video is being uploaded. It might take some time depending upon your network speed. And as you can see, the video has been uploaded. I'm simply gonna preview my profile right now. Right here is my profile. I'm gonna scroll down. And right here is the video that I had just uploaded. Well guys, that's it. That's how we add video on Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.